Hello friends, today let us see how to prepare avocado bread sandwich. The ingredients are listed here for you and this can serve up to 4 people. I am glad to share this recipe as this motivated even my kids to start having avocados which they didn't before. Hope you and your family will also enjoy this recipe. First, remove the seed and peel the avocados and mash it into a smooth paste. Now squeeze the lime juice into mashed avocado. I am using one small sized lime here. Then add salt, pepper powder and green chilies into this. Further add all the vegetables that are finely chopped and kept. Onions, capsicum, zucchini, tomatoes, corn, and finally coriander leaves. You can add even mint leaves if you prefer. Mix it thoroughly and set it aside. Now start toasting the bread slices on a hot pan. Use ghee or clarified butter to toast it. This gives the best flavor to the sandwich. Toast it very well on both the sides until it is very crispy. Now spread the avocado and vegetables mixture on the bread slice. Spread it evenly and garnish with shredded cheese for extra flavor. Cover it with another slice of bread and cut it into half or quarters. Yummy avocado sandwich is now ready. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have this recipe write-up on my blog as well. The link to the blog is given in the description section. Please check out. Thank you and see you soon again.